If you've never written code before, I want to talk to you. In less than 30 minutes, I'll show you how to describe an idea in words and let AI build it for you. I'm Andrew Ng, and I've just released a course in which you build a working web application in minutes. A funny interactive birthday message generator that runs in your web browser and that you can share with friends. Then you also customize it by telling AI how you want it changed, so you can tweak it until it works exactly how you want. This course assumes no prior knowledge of AI or coding. If you heard about building with AI or vibe coding but aren't sure where to start, this course is for you. You also learn the most important best practices for building with AI, such as how to go back and forth with AI to improve your app, or what to do when things don't work. Building with AI is one of the most fun things in the world. Please join me at deeplearning.ai and take your first step on this exciting journey. I think you might be surprised at what you'll be able to build.